Cassidy, and I'm here with
Kaylee and Adriana.
and we're going to be asking them questions about Girls Learn Internationally. What are some of the requirements to make it into the GLI International program?
Well, it's not exactly a GLI program per se, it's more so something that the UN itself started called the Commission on the Status of Women, or the CSW. And it's like a conference that they hold every year where member states and non-government organizations all gather to discuss how to further women's rights.
Application process like?
In the program because we are the GLI leaders at Hill. So basically it's just a lottery system that gets sent out to all leaders across GLI. So we just had to fill out a couple of questions and we had to talk about what we'd want to discuss if we got to attend the meetings. And through that you just got selected randomly.
The application process wasn't really hard because the GLI executives sent everybody on their mailing list a Google form that had a couple of questions that you had to answer in a minimum of 50 or 100 words. And yeah, it was just a simple Google form.
Delegation team were you a part of?
Part of the GLI delegation when we attended the UN.
Discussed at the UN meetings.
So this year's theme was innovation in technology and how technology can be used to further women's rights, with a special focus on helping women in rural communities.
Experience when you visited the United Nations for the first time?
It was definitely an unforgettable experience because you don't always hear about what's happening overseas, like when we're in America. So actually hearing these experiences firsthand from these delegates from these nations was definitely life-changing because you got to hear them speak with such passion or even anger or sadness. And it really broke my heart what happened to a lot of these people. But at the same time, I was really grateful to be able to hear what they go through.
It was a really interesting experience, especially because we got to meet so many different people from America and even from abroad.